Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys that you can actually collect fairies that are in the fairy world as well. I just realized that. So if you go to the fairy world, there will be other fairies just like hanging around that you can collect if, for instance, the fairy event isn't going on. So maybe it's like 30 minutes after the fairy event and it's like already gone already. It's already gone. You can actually collect fairies that are down here. So yeah, you can go around and just collect some fairies that are around the fairy world itself and collect them in two little jars. Make sure you craft them first because there is no crafting table down here. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.